Welcome to Luna Letters World! Hey, kids! Look! Let's learn a new letter. C is for cat. C. C-A-T. Cat. Meow. D is for dog. D. D-O-G. Dog. Woo. Great job, kids! Next letter coming. Subscribe.